This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to tag someone who has blocked you on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp does not inform or indicate to a user that someone has blocked you, and you do not even know that the message you are sending to someone who has blocked you are delivered or read. And what if you want to tag someone who has blocked you on your WhatsApp? It's so simple. So first, you can go. You can open your WhatsApp. I will show you first that this account has blocked me. I still can see their status, but I can't send them message. The message won't delivered. As you can see, there's only one check on the message note. Now you can chat to your friends who has mutual with this person who has blocked you to create a group. So here's my other account, and I will create group from that account. As you can see, this account mutual with this person with this account that has blocked my account, my other account. And I will try to create a group. You can create a group. Ask for your friends to add you and the person who has blocked you on WhatsApp to into the group. For the example, I would create like this. So this one is my account, and the other account who has blocked this account. You can create a group. Now, let's check our WhatsApp. So here's the group. You can see the member of the group, and here there's 3 people. You, your friend who has mutual with this person who has blocked you. You can just send message on this group like this. So let's see on the other account who has blocked you. They can see the message from you from the group like this. As you can see, it's so simple, right? And maybe you can ask for your friends to add you as the admin, and they can exit from the group. They can leave the group. So on the group, there's only you and this person who has blocked you on the group. So simple, right? So that is how to tag someone who has blocked you on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.